Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to generate random fractions with JavaScript. Random numbers are useful for creating random behavior. If I console.log Math.random, you'll see here, this is what it looks like when you generate a random number. That generates a number with a decimal between 0 and 1. So 0 is possible and 1's not possible, which is crazy. Thus, Math.random can return 0, but never can quite return 1. Like storing values with equal operator, all function calls will be resolved before the return executes. So we can return the value of Math.random function. Little hint. So if we go Math.random, we can go times 10, and then we get a number between 0 and we can get a number between 0 and 9.99. If we go math.floor, which means I think that, yeah, we can get just like a totally random number. If I just change this parentheses, it re-evaluates the statement. And that's how you get a random. Math.floor means round to the ground. Math.random is get a number between 0 and 1 that's randomly selected, and you multiply that by 10. And so, yeah, hope that helps. So we want to change the random fraction to return a number instead of returning 0. It returns here, right? They said here, so what we could do is we could say we could say variable random fraction is equal to math dot random. And then we could return random fraction. We don't need this console log, so I can just get rid of here. We could just go console.log random fraction. And then we're getting the random fraction. So that seems like it's passing the test. Okay, cool. But before you go, I think that there's something useful to say here. Like here they said, all function calls will be resolved before the return executes. What does that mean? That means that you don't need to store it in a variable. You could remove this, and then just move this to here. And this is a much easier to read function as well. And we're still getting the same console log, the same feedback. And so this is just a little bit more of a refactored answer. Anyways, hope this helps. See you guys in the next lesson.